In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable to Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet you can analyze, share, or archive, all starting from your Airtable base. First, open your web browser and go to the Airtable website. On the homepage, click Login to access your account. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace home. Find the base that contains the information you want to export and click Open Data to enter it. Inside the base, make sure you're looking at the right table and most importantly, the right view. Airtable only exports what's visible in the current view. That means any filters, sorts, groups, and hidden fields in this view will affect what ends up in your file. If you only want a subset of records, confirm that your view is filtered accordingly. If you want everything, switch to an unfiltered grid view and unhide any fields you need included. At the top left of the interface, locate the view name, such as Grid View. Click that view dropdown to open its menu. In that menu, select Download CSV. If a confirmation prompt appears, click OK to continue. Airtable will generate a CSV file and download it to your computer, typically to your default downloads folder. The CSV format is a simple, widely compatible file type that Excel opens easily. Next, open the downloaded file in Microsoft Excel. You should see your Airtable fields mapped to columns and your records on separate rows. If you notice that everything appears in a single column, that usually means your regional settings are expecting a different delimiter. Reopening it with the correct delimiter settings in Excel will fix that. Also keep in mind that attachments come through as URLs, lookups and rollups appear as their computed values, and multi-select fields are separated by commas. If you plan to keep working in Excel, it's a good idea to save the file in Excel's native format. Go to File, choose Save As, and select the Kielix file format. This preserves your formatting, lets you add formulas, and keeps multiple sheets without re-exporting. Before you wrap up, double-check that the exported data reflects exactly what you intended from the Airtable view. If anything is missing or extra, return to the view, adjust filters or hidden fields, and export again. That's it. You've successfully exported your Airtable data and opened it in Excel, ready for analysis or sharing.